Welcome to the Tax Saving Minute. Today we're going to talk about ways that you can save money as the employer and your employee can save money on taxes. So there's this wonderful thing called the Education Assistance and Loan Repayment Program. You can pay your employee up to $5,250 that either goes towards reimbursing their qualified educational expenses or paying off principal and interest on a student loan. And of that $5,250 that you pay them, 0 is taxable to your employee. And 100% of it is deductible to you as a business expense. So that is a win-win for both you and your employee. So in order to be eligible for this, there has to be a written plan. Your employees have to actually know about it. They can't be forced to choose between this and other benefits. It cannot be required. You can't require them to get a certain grade. So it can't be required a grade requirement. And it's not for anybody who owns the business. So not for anybody who owns 5% or more of the capital, stock, or profit interest in the business, or for their spouses or dependents. So this isn't for you, it's for your employees, but it's still going to be a benefit to you and a benefit to your employees. So what expenses qualify? Tuition, fees, books, supplies, and equipment. Things that don't qualify are meals, lodging, or transportation, or classes like PE or sports. So in order to make this work, you need to reimburse your employees for the classes they took in the same tax year that they took those classes. So they take the class, they pay for it, they submit the payment, the reimbursement to you, you reimburse it all in the same year. Now, for paying off their loans, it doesn't have to be the same year that the loan originates. It can just be any time it's still going on. And you can pay principal and interest. And you can either pay your employee directly or you can pay the loaning institution. So that's really nice. So if you have this wonderful employee that you hired out of college and they want to go to grad school, you can pay them as they're going to grad school. Or say you have this employee that you love who's been with you for 10 years and still has these horrible student loans over their heads. You can be paying off their student loans for them and they don't have to pay tax on that income. And you get to deduct it. So it's a win-win for you and your employees. So I hope that helps. Thanks for joining me for the Tax Saving Minute. I'm Cynthia Umstadt, CPA. See you next time.